There are two ways to face change: ignore it and hope it goes away, or face it and accept the challenge and opportunities that change presents. The NAR settlement has been looming for 9 months. Didn't go away, and it is here. Bay East will implement the required MLS changes on August 12th to stay ahead of the NAR deadline of August 17th. Bay East, CAR, NAR, and your brokerages have provided Zooms, meetings, discussions, and workshops updating us on the new, changing, and sometimes confusing requirements of the shifting business model. How we interact with clients and colleagues is undergoing a major shift. As we move forward, will we cling to the past or embrace the opportunity and excitement? Will we focus on clients' needs, create our redefined value proposition, and execute while embracing the change, turning it into new opportunity? Or will we run and hide? I recently met with a newly licensed individual excited about entering real estate. The good news for them is that the business model they will learn is the only one they'll know. No past standards to struggle with. It may be naive, but it is the truth. As we move forward, will we keep thinking about the way it was or have a mindset of opportunity and excitement? One anchor of our business as realtors is the Realtor Code of Ethics. It provides fundamentals on how we should interact with clients, colleagues, and the community. With change and new requirements, the Code of Ethics remains a key reference for essential business fundamentals. It comes down to respect, transparency, and common sense, and continually making the effort to learn and adapt. Our conversations with clients and colleagues will be changing, more direct, and increasingly important. Over the next several months, the Bay East Professional Standards Committee will focus on different aspects of the new business model to assist and remind members of the basics that will underpin our business. Bay East will continue to be a vital resource in this new environment, supporting you, our members, in succeeding as real estate professionals. Thank you. This is Will Doerlich, Vice Chair of Professional Standards, reminding you, if you're not living on the edge, you may be taking up too much room.